Hey guys, so today I have a giant squishy haul to show you guys. I bought 3 packages and they're all from one shop, which is Heartfelt Squishy, and they have a lot of these new Chinese squishies, so I always buy from them. Everything's opened already because I received these packages a while ago, but I just had time to record them today. But yeah, let's get started. The first item is this Labudo rabbit squishy. Here is the licensing. I'm not completely sure how to pronounce this brand, but the red scarf really reminds me of Winnie the Pooh, which is why I got it. And also from the same brand, I got this bread clock squishy. Next is this flower bun by the brand Sweetbuns. Do you see, like, this doesn't even rise up. I'm so in love with the quality of all these new Chinese squishies because all of them are so slow rising. Again, also from Sweetbuns, I got this cow fruit sandwich. And there's the licensing. I'm gonna continue on with the cow theme because this is Sweetbuns' mascot. So next is this dorayaki squishy. And then this giant cow head bun. Then I got this Tanuki crepe squishy by Muzi. This black cat cruller. And I got this one because it reminds me of How to Train Your Dragon. Even though I think it's a cat. And from the same brand, I got these pumpkin cats, which I think are so cute. Here's the white design. And the texture on this one is a little bit more dense compared to the other squishies. But it's still super slow rising. And this is the orange color. Next, I got 3 out of the 5 designs from Mido's new series. I believe there's a bun and another toast design from this series, and I really wanted the toast one, but that one was already sold out. First, this is baguette, and I think this is so funny. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like a chicory. But there's so much air in this. And finally, this bunny. Also from Mido, I got this squishy, and I'm not really sure what it is, but it's a new series with this face on it. I don't remember the brand of this, but this is a puppy dorayaki squishy. Got this bear squishy from Zoe Squishy. And this one's also a little bit denser. Then I got these 2 squishies from Sweetbuns. I couldn't decide which color I liked, so I just bought both of them. This is the lighter design with blue flowers. And a toasted design with orange flowers. Then I got into a phase of buying super realistic squishies, so I got this hamburger. Or I guess it's a cheeseburger. And this is by Sweetbuns. Then I got this Hokkaido milk bun. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but there's a deer imprinted on this bun. Then I got this bread squishy from Mido. And this texture is so nice. Mido is my favorite Chinese brand squishy because their texture is so consistent throughout all their squishies. And their designs are also really impressive. I got these 2 snowman cookies by Lisa. The other design was pink, which I really wanted, but that one was sold out. I got this mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwich by Mido. This super realistic bread squishy. And then I fell into a craze of wanting jumbo squishies, so these are breads from Mido. I can smell the bread scent from here and it smells so good. I think it's really comparable to the iBoom bread scent. I really wanted these squishies because look at the details on this bread. It actually looks so realistic. I got this cat cheeseburger squishy. And then another really realistic bread squishy. And last thing that I purchased was this Mido squishy blind box set. I'll be opening this in another video, so I'll link this in the iCard up here. I actually don't know what's inside of here, but I believe some of these are the designs that you can get. And I believe this is a secret extra. And finally, I did get some generous extras for my package, so thank you so much for this. First extra is this peanut squishy. This pink elephant. This giant chocolate heart cake. And I'm so excited for this one because it's a Mido squishy, but I got this Mido orange bun squishy as an extra. So this is the overview of everything that I got in the store. I love every single squishy in this package, so I'm super happy about my purchases. And I will be buying more because every single time I see them release squishies, I automatically want it. But yeah, that's all the squishies that I wanted to show you guys, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!